Morning. What time is it? 10 o'clock. Still morning. This will be the first freeze dryer run of this harvest season. We're going to be freeze drying squash and purple potatoes, are called Purple Majesty potatoes. So we pre-freeze them first. It just makes the process a little faster. So I got the trays down here ready. So I'm gonna go get the bags of the stuff we froze and bring it down here. But first I'm going to start the freeze dryer. Initializing, it says. Oh, my book fell down. Let's put my book up. I like my book, isn't that cool? I found it. And there it is. So, usually what we'll do is when it's almost done, we'll add another, I think we add 12 hours or maybe 24 hours. So, let's get started. There it goes. So when it gets ready, it'll tell us cooling pump vacuum chamber, wait 15 minutes before loading trays. So, there's the trays. Let's go up and get it. Or as soon as that's done, we'll bring the stuff down. So we're about ready. Look at all this stuff we've got. Honeydew, look at all the honeydews. Look at all that. Look at all this. These are beets. Not being here. There it is. This is pretty cool. These are blueberry cookies. They're just blueberries that we blended into a paste, a liquid, more of a paste actually. Sprayed it on the tray, run it through the freeze dryer, and break it up and got little cookies, blueberry cookies. A lot of honeydew still in there. A lot of watermelon. No, that's the orange things. Still got a lot of eggs. Let's go see if it's ready. It is ready. Load trays. Ring valve is closed. Okay, let's go get it. Okay, let's get the stuff out of the freezer. There we go. Well, can't do it with one hand. There we go. Right here. Go. There's the purple potatoes. There's the squash. I think I'll move a little bit of this over here. Make a little room. Spread it out a little. That's good. Okay, let's get it in there. Washes in. Purples are in. We're ready to go. Everything's in there. Ready to go. Hit continue. And we're off. See you in about 30 hours or so. Yeah, I think we're gonna go ahead and take these out. Still got 3 hours or something, but we'll just back that off and take care of it tonight so we don't have to add time to it and deal with it in the morning. So let's get ready. Well, that's it. Three bags of squash, 2 bags of the purple potatoes. That's it. I'll take care. Bye.